First, search the satellite maps. I'll use Europe and Asia, but you can use any continent. Now, search your maps. Search the actual map and an empire or commonwealth that the countries had. This is a long process. I always use maps from Wikimedia Commons because they don't have background. Okay, I'm done. Remove the background if it's necessary. Open a new CapKit project. Now select the satellite map. Use the sun after dark. Speed it up to 1.3x. Start placing your countries. Remove the CapKit logo. Start writing the letter and custom your text. Export your project and open a new one. Go to Effects and select Shake Effect. Then, adjust it. Speed 3. Intensity 15. Apply it by clicking the checkmark. Now click Video Effects and select DV Tape. Put the effect on the moment the old map appears. Then go to Motion Blur. Blur 80. Blend 60. Now remove the CapKit logo. And we will export the video. And we're done. Check the result in the comments. Have a good day and thanks for watching.